LTL shipping may seem complicated to some, but it's actually quite simple if you have the right information from your customers.
In this video, we'll go over the basic questions you should ask on every LTL shipment to ensure a smooth experience for you and your customer.
First and foremost, ask for the date of pickup and if there's a specific delivery date that's required.
This helps you ensure the shipment arrives on time and gives you the opportunity to explore if a guaranteed option is needed.
Next, let's deep dive into the origin and destination information.
Now, we want to make sure we verify both the pickup and destination zip codes. Now, when it comes to this, there's a couple of little tricks that I like to do. First off, I always ask the customer what the city is when they give me the zip codes, because you're able to enter this information in and it should populate the city. Second, I always enter in the address online to see if the address actually matches the city and zip code.
Believe it or not, it's easy to mix up numbers in a zip code or give a street address that matches a different city.
When it comes to origin and destination information, we also want to know if the pickup and destination locations are businesses with docks or forklifts.
If not, you want to find out what type of facility you're dealing with and any additional special services that may be required. At the end of the day, gathering this will help accurately quote the cost of the shipment.
Let's move on now to discussing the products being shipped. Now, as we discussed or mentioned in our previous video, it's important to inquire about the packaging method used for the product, the dimensions of each package. This includes the length, width, and height of the product, even when the product hangs over the pallet. We also need to figure out the weight of each package to calculate the total weight of the shipment. And last but not least, we want the classification and NMFC number provided by the customer.
In addition to these inquiries, it's also important to gather information about whether the product is stackable or not. This can help the customer save on shipping costs, because remember, less space means a lower price for the shipment. It's also crucial to know if the product is hazardous and to determine the value of the shipment.
Finally, ask additional qualification questions to gain more insight into your customer's LTL shipments. Questions such as, how many shipments are you moving per day or per week? How are you currently getting your rates? If you have any consistent lanes. These questions, along with others, will help you understand your customers' needs and will allow you to provide them with not only the best solutions, but potentially help you grow your book of business.
By qualifying your customer shipments, you can make LTL shipping simple and stress-free for both you and your customers. Remember to seek to understand their shipments to provide them with the best possible experience.
We thank you for watching. If you like this content and you haven't done so already, check out our last video where we review the LTL pricing factors.
And remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.